Yeah, I know. But we just arrived from the most amazing trip to India. Yeah, I'll see you when I get back.
So, we're in Malta this week.
I heard the news today that you're not mine to keep. Don't struggle too much now while I kill you in your sleep. What is lost if it's not being by yourself? I won't be gentle to the body on the shelf.
Yeah, I know what you guys are thinking. There's just a couple of beaches with sand in Malta. But who needs that when you have a car and 3 beautiful islands to explore? Well, in this trip we've discovered the pure landscapes of Gozo, the still and crystal waters of Comino, and of course, a unique legacy of history in Malta.
This is our first day in Gozo, and we are trying to catch the sunset from the top of that mountain.
But I need to concentrate because I'm driving on the wrong side of the road. Saving the best for last, we visited the famous Camino Island, also known as Blue Lagoon. I mean, have you ever seen such crystal waters? Well, I didn't. We finished the trip with the sunrise mission to St. Peter's Pool, from where we jumped from 8 meters high. Tall? Well, if this didn't convince you to visit Malta, I don't know what will.